sometime around 2020, we evaluated the marketplace of existing live encoding solutions on a number of metrics. And we ended up with the conclusion that we should build it ourselves. And that's what we did. We built a highly available live encoder using only easily available parts. The software for this encoder is written in a modular way so that we easily can replace modules as our business case changes. So for example, we can switch out our SDI capture module for an SD2110 module, or switch out hardware components such as when a new GPU comes out.
This summer we've been looking at high dynamic range dynamic converters. These converters allow you to explore more of the HDR space. We've been working with vendors to do the tests, and we're presenting our results at IBC. We've also published a document which lists what tests you should do before you use them in your production. So we have noticed a number of artifacts when testing these dynamic converters. In this example, as we fade from black to picture, the brightness overshoots and then gradually comes back to where we'd expect it to be. As we do the slow pan across the plate, there's a jump in brightness. So it's just various of the algorithms we're testing have got some sort of temporal control in there that is averaging. The final artifact we're seeing is that when you add graphics, the graphics change level depending on what the background's doing. So in this dark background with a bright item in it, you can see that the graphics no longer the same color all the way across the top of it.
Hello, this work is about power reduction in HDR displays. So the motivation being the power consumption in HDR contents are significantly higher than in the SDR contents. The way that we done this is by manipulating the pixel values in such a way that the manipulation would not make any detrimental impact on the users, whereas you can still save quite some significant amount of power reduction. For example, with the OLED TVs, we could reduce about 14% power reduction compared to the unprocessed videos.